Okay, so you guys, my unicorn just has arrived. Remember when I was telling you guys that I had bought something a while back from Rea Dunn? Well, this is the thing that I bought. It's in this huge box. It says small, but it's huge. It says fragile on it. It has my information, so we're not going to show you that side. But let's go ahead and open it. I'm sorry about the angles. It is just what it is, and I'm not going in my purse room, nail polish room right now. And she's got this taped all up. Probably how I would tape it too. Okay. Oh my God, this is my unicorn. I am so excited. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm going to show you guys the inside. Like literally, look at all of the bubble wrap. Okay, so I'm going to pull this out. Oh my God. It is like huge. Okay, so let me move this to the side so you guys can kind of see. So she has it wrapped in a bajillion bubble wrap. I don't even know what the bottom is. Okay, this is the bottom, this is the top. So let's cut this open. Where did my knife go? Okay, so let's cut this open. This is my unicorn, you guys. I have been wanting this so much, so long. Saw it last year, didn't think about it. This year came along, and I just feel like it would just tie great. And okay, so she put saran wrap first, and then she bubble wrapped it. Let's find the end of the bubble wrap. I don't even know. Okay, so I think this is the end. Okay. Oh my gosh, she really, I'm just gonna throw on the floor. Okay. Oh man, she did not play. Let me just. Okay. I ain't even playing. We coming in. You guys, sorry. They are, let me close this door. Oh, that looks so better. They're cutting the grass. Oh my gosh, she's got this on there so good. So good. Oh my God. Okay, and stuffing inside, okay. So I want to get the top piece out because happy Halloween! So freaking stoked, you have no idea. I have been wanting this so bad. I have been beating myself up trying to figure out how I can get it. Ooh, look at how many layers. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. This is how sellers, I'd rather it be very hard for me to get my item out than my junk be all broken. Look at how thick that is. She knows. She knows. So this is the top. It has the seal part. I'm trying to keep it low because my kids are on Zoom. Some of them right now. Some of them are on lunch break. But you guys, this is the Happy Halloween cauldron that I have been wanting to get my hands on. Saw it last year, didn't think much of it. I was like, oh, it's cute, but just kept passing it up every time I saw it. There's absolutely nothing, no nicks, no nothing. Hello. Oh my God, you guys. I am so freaking excited. The feet look good. Right there, this one was from Marshall's. And I am so happy to have her in my collection. Now I can put cookies and all these wonderful things in it. So this is definitely my unicorn, and happy to have. And thank you to the seller, because she knows I do YouTube. Thank you to the seller. Thank you so much. Thank you for having patience with me, because the app that I was using was called Macari, I think it was. It was my first time ever using the app. Never even heard of the app. She was amazing. Love the way you wrapped it. You know how to sell, and I appreciate everything. So this is my baby. And if you saw my video before, I said if I don't get anything from this year, this will just seal the deal for me. I would love to have something, like I said, a purple, green, or orange cup, but this just makes me so happy that I just don't need really anything else. So anyway, you guys, my son keeps peeking in, and it's time to get back on virtual learning, but I thought I would share you guys what I just got.